Nice little black snake. What you looking for, buddy? Can you eat a chipmunk? There are plenty of them around here. He is about, let's see, about 3 to 3.5 feet long. About thumb diameter size. I would assume he's a rat snake, but assuming gets you in trouble, it may just be a black snake. Nice fellow. Nice fellow. Where were you headed, buddy? That's where I'm going too, headed to the shed. I'm looking for a pair of scissors. You're probably looking for a little lizard. I don't know that you could swallow a chipmunk. You're probably looking for a lizard or a scorpion. Something like that would be my guess. Oh, let's see that tongue again. What a fine forked tongue you have. Come on, show it to us. There you go. Oh, that's a nice tongue. Very nice tongue. I hope you find a lot to eat. You get fat and happy. And grow about, 3 or 4 more feet. And maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches in girth. There you go. Nobody's going to hurt you. No one's going to hurt you, buddy. Oh, what a fine tongue you have. This could just as easily have been a copperhead, rattlesnake. That's in my experience with copperheads, rattlesnakes, cottonmouths. You give them the distance and they will depart from you. If you come right up on them and startle them, that's when you're going to get bit. Going over to the pine straw. He'll probably be just about completely stretched out. I'll make note where his head is, and then we'll put a tape measure, see how long he is. Okay, I've got a good idea where his head and tail would be. Tail would be the end of the concrete, and where his head would be. I don't think you need to get in the sticks and the pine straw. You could startle someone. But if that's where you're headed, it'll be okay. I'll notify anyone of your presence or your possible presence. And he's getting a little faster, isn't he? There he goes. He's going to disappear into the pine straw over there. Or maybe go around behind it. Go right between them, buddy. That's what he's doing. He's going right between the bales. Or is he coming back out? Well, I think we've had our sneaky snake adventure for today. There you have it.